Hey guys, welcome to the series of HTML. This is Krish. So I'm gonna be your instructor for this HTML course for beginners. And in this series, we are going to cover the following things. So the first one is creating the first HTML page. In this chapter, we will learn to create the HTML page, and the second one is the HTML structure. And here we will learn about the basic structure of the HTML page, and then the headings and paragraphs. So we will learn to create the headings and the paragraphs in HTML. And the fourth one, the basic text formatting tags like bold, italic, etc. So the fifth one is hyperlinks, and this is used to navigate to other pages of HTML. And the sixth one is images. So this means we will learn to import some images into our page. And now the seventh one, tables. And in this chapter, we will learn to create the tabular structure view. And the eighth one is lists, that may be ordered list or unordered list. So what is lists mean? So list means to create a bulleted points or the numbered or alphabetical points like in Word. And the ninth one is classes and IDs. So in this chapter, we will learn to give names for the tags and use those names like in CSS or any other places. And the 10th one is styles. So here we learn to add some styles to the tags from external and internal files. And the 11th one is iframes. This is a feature that can view other HTML pages in your HTML page. So this is a very interesting feature in HTML. And the 12th one is HTML forms. And in this we will learn to add the text fields, buttons, checkboxes, etc. And these input types, input attributes, and form attributes, all of these are the subtopics of these HTML forms. And the 16th one is the HTML video. And here we will learn to add a video to your HTML web page. And you can also add the audio. And you can also add the YouTube video into your HTML page. And this is also an interesting feature. And the 19th one is the database connectivity. So I think most of you have submitted some forms like creating a new account in social media websites or any other. So the data which you have submitted will be stored at some place. So the web page where you have submitted is connected to the database, and the data is stored in that database. So we will learn to add the connection between the database and the web page. And using the database connection, we will try to create a sign up page for the website. So this is the last chapter for this course. Alright, that's the overview of the course, and hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.